AI is evolving faster than we ever thought possible. This week, one name is on everyone's lips. DeepSeek is back, and it's making waves. Their latest creation is changing the game entirely. Rumors have been swirling for months in developer circles. Whispers of secret tests and data leaks have emerged. Now, DeepSeek has unveiled its latest AI marvel. It's called DeepSeek V3-2X, and it's truly revolutionary. Experts are saying it can slash computing costs significantly. Reports suggest it can cut heavy task expenses by 50%. Half the cost means double the opportunities ahead. And that's got every major AI lab paying close attention. How did DeepSeek pull off such a remarkable feat? They didn't just train bigger, they trained smarter. Their engineers created a system called sparse attention. It may sound complex, but the concept is brilliant. Traditional AI processes everything, even the irrelevant bits. That leads to wasted energy, time, and resources. DeepSeek chose to cut out all that unnecessary noise.
They created a groundbreaking tool called Lightning Indexer. This tool scans massive text data with incredible precision. It filters out only the most relevant parts. A second tool dives even deeper into those results. Together, these tools deliver lightning-fast processing power. The results are revolutionary in every measurable way. Early tests show tasks complete nearly 50% faster. Energy consumption drops to record-breaking levels. This translates to huge financial savings for every enterprise. But here's where it gets even more exciting. DeepSeek didn't keep their breakthrough a secret. They made the model open source for everyone to test. Yes, it's live right now on Hugging Face. Developers around the globe are benchmarking and sharing their findings. Some say it's the biggest leap since Transformers. Others believe it could ignite a new era in AI. Either way, it's clear the game has changed.
Running large AI models costs millions every single month. DeepSeek's approach could make scaling truly affordable. It's not just innovation, it's financial liberation too. Global investors are taking notice of this shift. But the story doesn't end with DeepSeek's return. Across Silicon Valley, OpenAI is preparing its next move. Their app, Sora, has exploded in global popularity. Sora reached #1 on the App Store. Within 2 days, downloads crossed stunning new records. Users describe it as AI filmmaking at home. You type a sentence, and Sora visualizes everything. It creates realistic video scenes from pure imagination. Sam Altman calls Sora the next creative revolution. He plans to share profits with content right holders. This means artists could earn from AI-generated creations. It's a bold new vision for digital ownership rights. But every great leap brings questions and controversy too. Will this new model protect creativity or replace it? Will AI make artists richer or erase them completely? Those answers might define the future of storytelling itself. I've been hearing a lot about DeepSeek and OpenAI lately. DeepSeek is all about performance and accessibility. OpenAI is focused on creativity and reaching a global audience. These two visions are clashing in the tech world. Tension is rising as they face off in this AI battle. The stage is set for a showdown like no other. Everyone in tech is watching closely. DeepSeek and OpenAI are now rivals in the AI space. Each has a unique approach to dominance. Every update feels like a major event. DeepSeek prioritizes efficiency, speed, and affordability. They believe that cheaper AI can drive real innovation. Their open-source release shows they trust the community. This invites developers to experiment and enhance their tools. That move earned them respect almost overnight. Researchers appreciate open tools that cut costs, but corporations are anxious about the rapid power shift. Cheaper AI means smaller startups can now compete effectively. On the flip side, OpenAI is taking a different path. They're heavily investing in creativity and public engagement. Their app, Sora, turns text into stunning moving images. People are calling it digital filmmaking magic. Social media is overflowing with incredible Sora clips. These scenes look cinematic, yet they're crafted entirely by AI, from enchanting fantasy realms to stunning street footage. It's breathtaking. Clearly, OpenAI aims to put AI in everyone's pocket. But realizing that dream comes with significant technical hurdles. The servers that process these videos are incredibly expensive. Each frame generated consumes both compute power and bandwidth. That's why Sam Altman is pushing for monetization right now. Instead of shutting users out, he's shifting the narrative. He envisions a revenue-sharing model with creators around the globe. If you own a character, likeness, or style, Sora compensates you whenever that likeness is used. It's a groundbreaking mix of innovation and ethics. Artists receive credit, while OpenAI manages its costs. Yet, experts are curious about how this system will scale. What happens when millions of users jump on board tomorrow? Still, Altman's vision feels bold and futuristic. He aims to blend AI creativity with human rights. In his own words, it's interactive fan fiction for the world. And the audience is responding with genuine curiosity. DeepSeek engineers are quietly refining their new masterpiece. They're enhancing token selection and memory compression. Each update makes v3.2x even smarter. The open-source community is adding creative modifications. Developers on GitHub report extraordinary performance results. Some claim it outperforms closed commercial APIs by 40%. Others find it adapts better to long document reasoning. If verified, DeepSeek may have cracked efficiency itself. This could scare big tech companies relying on costly infrastructure. A powerful open-source model changes everything instantly. Imagine startups creating ChatGPT-level tools for a fraction of the cost. That's the dream DeepSeek is determined to deliver. But OpenAI has an edge with human emotional connection. Sora doesn't just process, it inspires imagination. When users create, they feel part of the process. It's a blend of entertainment, education, and art. Now, the line between tool and creator is blurring. AI isn't just assisting, it's collaborating with us. Every new model changes human expression forever. The digital revolution has entered its emotional phase. I see DeepSeek fighting for affordability and transparency worldwide. OpenAI is out there championing emotion, artistry, and global influence. Both are pushing boundaries that once felt unreachable. But who really defines the future of AI? The answer might not come from Silicon Valley. It could emerge from an open forum somewhere, maybe from a student, a coder, or an independent dreamer. The next breakthrough could start anywhere today. The AI storm isn't slowing down anytime soon. Every week, another breakthrough changes everything again. This isn't just progress, it's an evolution unfolding. And at the center stands DeepSeek, rising stronger every day. Their strategy is surprisingly different, yet incredibly effective. Instead of chasing hype, they focus on practicality. They're tackling the real pain points of AI deployment. Cost, scalability, and long-term accessibility drive their mission. DeepSeek's engineers believe in AI for everyone, everywhere. They want intelligence to be affordable, not exclusive. That's why their open-source model shocked the entire industry. It proved that performance doesn't require endless billion-dollar budgets. Reports show that startups are adopting DeepSeek's framework within days. Even university research labs are successfully using it now. Students can train massive models on affordable hardware. Innovation is spreading faster than we ever imagined. This openness is what frightens corporate tech giants the most. They've built empires on closed systems and paywalls. DeepSeek is breaking that cycle with radical transparency. It's a movement, not just a single technology release. Meanwhile, IBM has quietly joined the AI conversation. Their new Granite 4.0 model line is making waves in the industry. It combines hybrid memory-efficient design with transformer intelligence. This combination cuts GPU requirements by over 70%. For enterprises, that's an absolute financial game-changer. Companies can now run massive workloads for far less money. Imagine high-end performance with a fraction of energy usage. That's exactly what Granite is built to deliver consistently. IBM calls it the green evolution of intelligence. Their goal isn't just speed, it's sustainability. They want AI that doesn't burn through resources. Efficiency meets ethics in this technological masterpiece. Let's dive into a pressing question. Who will control AI in the future? Is it governments, corporations, or the open community? This debate fuels discussions at global summits. DeepSeek believes freedom should guide innovation. Their spokesperson said, "Knowledge thrives through accessibility." This message resonated with researchers everywhere. It became a rallying cry for open collaboration. Meanwhile, OpenAI is refining digital creation. Their Sora app integrates advanced storytelling intelligence. It doesn't just generate content, it understands emotion. Scenes flow with rhythm and artistic movement. Filmmakers are amazed by its visual realism. Some believe Sora could replace early production. Others see it as a creative partner for humans. Either way, it's changing filmmaking forever. Yet, controversy looms over these advancements. Actors' unions argue AI steals creative labor. Hollywood studios are experimenting, but artists are concerned. The big question remains, will machines ever truly feel emotion? The tension between art and algorithm is palpable. Every innovation brings new opportunities and moral dilemmas. Improvements are thrilling, yet unsettling at the same time. We are on the brink of a new era. AI has evolved beyond a mere technical wonder. It's influencing culture, economy, and how we see ourselves. From classrooms to boardrooms, it's reshaping every dialogue. DeepSeek is at the forefront of this transformation. The AI revolution is at a pivotal moment. Companies are vying for technological supremacy. DeepSeek, OpenAI, and IBM are leading the charge. Each has a vision that could shape humanity's future. DeepSeek's open-source approach sparks both admiration and concern. Empowering developers has changed the game entirely. Innovation is no longer confined to corporate giants. It's flourishing in universities, startups, and personal devices worldwide. This accessibility gives DeepSeek a revolutionary edge. When knowledge is shared, innovation accelerates rapidly. Their model V3.2X is not just efficient. It's a symbol. It embodies freedom, transparency, and global collaboration. OpenAI is playing a different game altogether. They're building emotional connections between humans and technology every single day. Sora shows us that AI can feel almost human-like. It senses rhythm, atmosphere, and storytelling emotion perfectly. Every frame it generates is artistically composed and alive. People are using it to visualize their dreams, stories, and ideas. Sora gives ordinary people cinematic creative power instantly. It's innovation wrapped in imagination, accessible to everyone. But with great creation comes great ethical responsibility. Artists are worried about being replaced, while lawyers warn of ownership chaos. Governments are struggling to regulate something that evolves so quickly. Audiences are torn between wonder and growing unease. That's where IBM's entry becomes strategically fascinating and different. Their Granite 4.0 focuses purely on responsible AI scaling. By merging sustainability with performance, they balance both extremes. It's powerful, ethical, and ready for global deployment today. IBM's hybrid approach cleverly mixes MAMA architecture with transformers. This design slashes memory usage by over 70%. It allows companies to deploy AI without massive budgets. In short, it makes intelligence affordable and planet-friendly at the same time. Do not merge or mix any sentence in this script. Use one visual for one sentence. Do not repeat any visual in this script at any cost. So now, three visions collide on a single stage. DeepSeek stands for Open, Democratic, Community-Driven Intelligence. OpenAI represents creativity, emotion, and digital humanization. IBM embodies structure, ethics, and sustainable AI operations. This clash defines not only technology, but humanity itself. Whoever controls AI shapes the global future directly. From healthcare to defense, every sector will depend on these models completely soon. But maybe control isn't the right word anymore. Perhaps the future belongs to collaboration, not competition entirely. Imagine DeepSeek's open-source brain with Sora's artistic soul. Then powered by IBM's sustainable, efficient, hybrid infrastructure design. That combination could birth the ultimate intelligent global system. One that understands emotion, logic, and ethics simultaneously perfectly. It could write stories, heal diseases, and predict disasters. A world where data, empathy, and awareness truly merge. Yet, that vision still depends on human responsibility entirely. AI learns from us, our actions and beliefs. If we teach greed, it mirrors greed without hesitation. If we teach compassion, it reflects light back endlessly. Let's talk about something important. The revolution isn't about machines taking over humanity. It's about machines enhancing who we are. This question lingers in the air. What kind of intelligence do we truly deserve? DeepSeek's return shows us that progress needs purpose. OpenAI's Sora teaches us that creativity connects us. IBM's Granite reminds us that balance is key to great creations. Together, these innovations shape our future. The AI dawn isn't just on the horizon, it's here now. So the real question is, are we ready for it?